Welcome to Vim Tips of the Day. Today is day 4, and what we're going to do is learn how to delete. So I've just started Vim, and I'm using the navigation keys J, 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 J to go down to this particular line to fix the misspellings. So you use the navigation, which is on the day 3 tip, to navigate to the character that's need to be deleted. Hit the character X to delete. Move over using L. Delete again. Using L to move over to the right. Delete. Using X. 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 That's it. Hit escape. :W. Q to quit. Thanks for watching.